I'm Guras Pagustin.
I am Jalan Pearl G. Macose, BSHM2, Block 23. Ang gagawin sa min ay ipag-a-add silang lahat. 90 plus 88 plus 75 plus 88 plus 91 plus 77 plus 90 plus 81 plus 88. Kapag na-add na, i-divide siya kung ilan ang numbers na narito. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, total is 768 divided by 9. It is equals 85.33. And yan ang mean. Sa median naman, i-arrange ang data mula lowest to highest. So, 75, 77, 81, 88, 88, 88, 90, 90, 91. Kung ano yung pinakagitna, siya ang median, which is 88. Sa mode, yun yung pinakamadalas lumabas sa data kung ano yung pinakamarami. So, ang pinakamarami dito is 88. Kaya, ang mode is 88. Ang data is 125, 109, 181, 218, 111, 104, and 169. Para makuha ang mean, kinakailangan i-add lahat ng data and i-divide kung ilan lahat to. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ang total is 1,017 divided by 7 and equals to 145.29. So, yan ang mean. While median, kinakailangang i-arrange lowest to highest. And kung ano ang nasa gitna, yun ang median. And ang nasa gitna is 125. So, ang median is 125. Mode, since walang naulit sa kanilang lahat, so, walang mode. Number 3. The data set is 77, 66, 88, 55, 71, 81, 59, 70, 63, and 52. So, add and then divide to 10. So, 862 divide 10 is equals 68.2. So, the mean is 68.2. While median is arranged lowest to highest. And then dahil 10 lahat yan. So, ang yung nasa gitnang dalawang gitna, which is 66 and 70 is i-add and then divide 2. So, 66 plus 70 is equals 136 divide 2. So, is equal 68. So, ang median is 68. And mode, and dahil walang number na naulit, walang mode. Number 4, database. Database is number 4. Dataset 1.25, 3.68, 1.12, 2.51, 5.12, 6.38, and 2.11. So, as always, add lahat and then divide kung ilan ang data sets. So, the total is 22.17 divided by 7 and the total is 3.17. So, the mean is 3.17. And median, you need to arrange lowest to highest and then kung ano yung pinakagitna, yun ang median. So, ang nasa gitna is 2.51. Mode is walang naulit, so no mode. Number 5. Data set 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 81, 78, 82, and 82. So, para makuha ang mean, kinakailangan mong i-add lahat ng dataset. And then, kapag na-add mo na siya, ang magiging total is 807. So, saan ko nga bang nakuha ang 10? Nakuha ko ang 10 sa kung ilan lahat ng data set. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10. So, total divided by 10. So, 807 divided by 10 is equals 80.7. So, ang mean is 80.7. Well, the median is kinakailangan mong i-lowest to highest. I-arrange lahat ng dataset para makuha mo kung alin dyan ang nasa gitna at kung ano ang nasa gitna is yun ang median. So as you can see, ang nasa gitna is 81. So the median is 81. Sa mode naman is kung ano ang rami ng numbers. For example, ang 80 is 3 beses na naulit, while 81 3 beses din, and 82 is 3 beses din. So meaning, ang mode is 80, 81, and 82 kasi sila ang pinakamaraming beses na naulit sa data set.
Baka sa Jalan Perdi, Christine Caraspetti.
So step number 1 is get the R. So R is equals to H minus L. So H is 322, which is the highest, minus L, 174, which is the lowest. So R is equals to 148. So step number 2 is get the K. So K is equals to square root of N. So yung N is 60. So K is equals to square root of 60. So, magiging sagot dun is 8. So, step number 3 is get the C. So, C is equals to R over K. So, yung R, which is yung ito, is equals to 148. Then, yung K is ito din, which is equals to 8. So, 148 over 8 is equals to 19. And next is class intervals. So, para ma-start yung class intervals, kailangan nating hanapin kung anong pinaka-lowest sa table natin. So, ang nakalagay sa lowest natin is 174. So, ang nakalagay dito sa class intervals is 174 up to 192. Bakit naging ganon? Kasi yung C natin na na-compute is 19. So, 174 up to 192. Bakit parang kulang? No, kasi dapat yung 174 is 1 scores, 175 is another 1 scores, and 176 is another 1 scores, and so on and so on. Kaya kung isasali mo si 174 up to 192, ang magiging total niyan is 19. And the next is 193 to 211. Bakit naging 193? Kasi we need to put a gap. 1 gap. And next is 212 to 230, 231 to 249, 250 to 268, and 269 to 287, 288 to 306, and lastly 307 to 325. Next is lower boundaries. So, para makuha natin si lower boundaries, kailangan natin mag-deduct sa lower limits natin ng 0.5 and sa upper limit naman, kailangan natin mag-add ng 0.5. So, 174 yung lower limits natin, magiging 173.5. Next is 193, magiging 192.5. 212, magiging 211.5. 231, magiging 230.5, 250, magiging 249.5, 269, magiging 268.5, 288, magiging 287.5, 307, magiging 306.5. And sa upper limit naman, kailangan natin mag-add ng 0.5. So, 192, magiging 192.5. 211, magiging 211.5. 230, magiging 230.5, 249, magiging 249.5, 268, magiging 268.5, 287, magiging 287.5, 306, magiging 306.5, 325, magiging 325.5. Next is, kailangan natin magtali. So, pag magtatali tayo, kailangan natin tignan yung number natin sa class intervals para yun yung hahanapin natin sa table at yun yung ilalagay natin na tally. So, 174 to 192 sa class intervals. So, hahanapin natin kung nasaan yung mga 174 to 192. Kasi tayo lalagyan natin ng tally. So, pagkatapos nun, ilalagay mo lang siya dito. At kailangan na natin siya itotal. Next is frequency. Para makuha si frequency is kailangan lang natin i-total si tally. Next is frequency. Para makuha si frequency is kailangan lang natin i-total si tally. Next is si x. So, para makuha si x, kailangan lang natin si class boundaries. So, 173.5 plus 192.5 over 2 is equals to 183. 192.5 plus 211.5 over 2 is 202. 211.5 plus 230.5 over 2 is 221. 230.5 plus 249.5 over 2 is 240. 249.5 plus 268.5 over 2 is equals to 259. 268.5 plus 287.5 over 2 is 278. 287.5 plus 306.5 over 2 is 297. 306.5 plus 325.5 over 2 is equals to 316. Next is cumulative frequency. So, para makuha si cumulative frequency, kailangan muna natin, first, i-copy muna yung pinaka nasa umpisa. Then, copy. Pag na-copy na, you need to add. So, 9 plus 9 magiging 18. 18 plus 8 magiging 26. 26 plus 13 magiging 39. 39 plus 6 magiging 45. 45 plus 6, 51. 51 plus 4, 55. Then 55 plus 5 is equals to 60. Lastly, RF. So, para makompute si RF, kailangan lang natin si cumulative frequency. So, 60 times 100 over 60 equals 100%. 55 times 100 over 60 is equals to 91.67. 51 times 100 over 60 is equals to 85%. 45 times 100 over 60 is equals to 75. 39 times 100 over 60 is 65. 26 times 100 over 60 is 43.33. 18 times 100 over 60 is 30%. 9 times 100 over 60 is 15%.